All right, guys, so today we're going to look at the Petco IPO that's coming up soon. They filed last week, Thursday, real sneaky, confidentially, but you can't escape the IPO king, baby. So if you love animals, just like me, and you want to hear everything about their IPO, make sure you give this video a like and stay tuned. What's going on, you guys and girls? My name is Jose. Welcome back to Rico Suave Investing. If you want to learn about the stock market, investing, financial freedom, then you came to the right place. So make sure you click that like button and subscribe. Also, forget to hit notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today, like I said, we're going to be looking at Petco. Very exciting times for IPOs. Every company seems to want to IPO this year, so that's very good news, very good news. We're going to go over the difference between Petco and Petsmart. We're going to look at some of the company's financials and products and all that good stuff. So let's get right into it.
A quick shout out to my patrons. Your generosity and contributions allow me to do what I love to do and keep the channel growing, so thank you. If you like my content and want to see more of it, then please consider supporting me on Patreon. I've got 3 different tiers full of benefits like portfolio updates, private Discord channels, and a one-on-one phone call. You can now also become a channel member by clicking on that join button and signing up to receive cool badges, perks, and more.
All right, so the first thing I want to point out is a few differences between Petsmart and Petco, okay? So we don't get them two companies confused. All right, so according to a quick Google search right here, Petsmart Inc. is a privately held American chain of pet superstores which sell products and services and small pets, right? It's a leading North American pet company. Its direct competitor is Petco. In-stores sell pet food, pet supplies, pet accessories, and small pets, and more. So what I noticed the difference is the Petco stores will have like smaller pets, like fishes and snakes, turtles and stuff like that. We're gonna keep scrolling down. According to this Google search, PetSmart is the largest pet specialty retail store in America with 1,660 stores. Now, Petco was its closer competitors, right? They have around 1,472 stores across North America. So that's, one of the big differences between them two. All right, because this IPO is so new and they just announced last Thursday, I wanted to go straight to the source to make sure that I'd had it right and correct, because when I heard it, I was very surprised. So I went to the petco.com about us. I clicked on the news release, and this is what I found. Petco announces confidential submission of draft registration statement for proposed public offering. They did this on November 5th. That's last Thursday, okay? Petco today announced that it was confidentially submitting a draft registration statement, Form S1, with the SEC relating the proposal public offering of its common stock. The number of shares to be offered and the price range to be proposed offering have not yet been determined, all right? So we don't know the price yet. We don't know the date and all that yet. They first need to be allowed to IPO, guys. And you got to understand this is a process, okay? The initial public offering is expected to take place after the SEC completes a review process, subject to market and other conditions. If you have been following me for a while, you notice that some people, they delay their IPOs depending on what the market is doing. So, and shout out to everyone out there that's making a lot of money with Palantir. If you've been watching this channel, you know that I always bring you the latest and greatest on IPOs. So make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel. All right, let's look at this video from PipeMints.com to find out a little bit more about Petco and their IPO. So Petco was acquired in 2016 by private company investors CVC and CPPIB for $4.6 billion from the Leonard Green Group and partners. So this company was actually public, and then they got taken privately again by a company that bought them in 2016. So good information. There you go. So Petco was a public company, but was taken private twice by TPG and Leonard Green. So, that's kind of strange, right? This is going to be like their third IPO. Petco was founded in 1965 as a mail order company in San Diego, and soon after opened its first store in Alaska, according to the website. Headed by Chief Executive Ron Coughlin, the guy in the thumbnail, right? Petco offers pet supplies, vaccinations, veterinary health, and digital health service called Pet Coach. So they have their own app that you can download and you can be your own pet doctor and pet coach. That is pretty cool. If you love pets out there, this is a great tool to have on your phone. The pandemic has been good for pet food sales, with dog food up 54% and cat food up 52%. So people are at home, due to the pandemic, and they are feeding their pets. And the industry is booming. Petco remained open during the pandemic because it accounts for almost 33% of all dog and cat food sales and half of sales of fish and other pet food, the company said. So that's 33%. That's a third of all the market out there. People that buy food for their pets, they do it at Petco. Earlier this month, Petco announced a new service called Vital Care that is part subscription plan, part health insurance for pets. All right, so thank you to our guys over there at PieMints.com. Just a great video, just a great company. If you love pets, you're very familiar with Petco. Because they filed a confidential IPO, guys, I don't have the S1. It's the same deal with Airbnb, and I'm waiting for that Airbnb S1 to become available so I can bring it to you, so make sure you stay tuned. Petco operates around 1,500 stores, was taken private in 2016 for about $4.6 billion. While the industry remains robust, with an American Pet Products Association believing sales will grow 3.4% this year to $99 billion, competition has grown more intense. So there's a lot of competitors out there, Petsmart, Petco, and others. Beyond mass merchandisers like Walmart and online giant Amazon, online pet care retailer Chewy, which is owned by Petco rival Petsmart, benefited from the lockdowns and stay-at-home orders issued in the wake of the pandemic, though it continues to report losses. So if you know, Chewy is owned by Petsmart, and that's, Petco's biggest competitor. It's not profitable, but, it's competition. Now, Bloomberg reports that the Petco IPO would seek to value the company around $6 billion. Online retail, though, is expected to account for 35% of the pet care industry by 2024, which could put pressure on the brick-and-mortar retailer. Petco is a brick-and-mortar retailer, above anything else. So they are trying to transition into a more, mobile, online business, but their brick-and-mortar stores is still bringing in some, quite a bit of traffic, and people just like to go there and look at the pets and, different things and so forth. Now, Petco previously went public in 1994 and 2002 and filed IPO papers in 2015, but instead it was sold to private equity firms, CVC Capital Partners, and Canada Pension Plan, the people that currently own the company. So, wow. So they tried to go public back in 2015, but these people right here, they snagged it and they kept it private. So will this time the IPO come to fruition? We don't know, but we are very excited about it. Here's the Petco website, and it's Christmas, so they sell their little Christmas sweaters for your people that love to dress up your cats and stuff like that. A little sled, look at that, as a dog bed and that good stuff. But they do have curbside pickup. They got free delivery 1 to 2 days, and you can schedule a free repeat delivery right there. So they got some deals for this Christmas. Very cool. Top deals. You got gift cards and all the other good stuff. Now, like I was saying in the intro, they are more than just, pet food and all that. They have vital care, grooming, veterinarian services, adoptions. You can adopt pets. Look at that. Dog training, curbside pickup, and more. Pet insurance and all that good stuff. So it's like a one-stop store for your pets needs. They also have a YouTube channel. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if you want to go check it out. They have about 88,000 subscribers, and they have lots of videos for you to check out about your pet, how to prepare and bring a new puppy to Petco, and that good stuff. Just click on videos and check out the large library of content that they have for you guys available. All right, so I didn't get a chance to go to the Petco store here and show you guys inside, but right here, I found this channel called Pickles Pets, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description below to the channel. Also, I'm gonna give credit to the channel. And she went inside, and she can show you everything inside about, inside the Petco store. So let's find out. All right, so right off the bat, you can see you open a floor plan right there. You can see fishies out back, all the way out back. And they have little lizards and stuff like that. And they have little lizards and stuff like that. Look at that. That's pretty cool. You can see the dog food, the pet, cat food. Little geckos, little Godzillas. That's what my little sister calls them. Little Godzilla. All right, so you can see some toys and stuff like that for your pets. Pretty big store, guys. Pretty big. I'm surprised. Shampoo, medicine, things like that to take care of your pets. If you're a Puerto Rican like me, you had a ton of parakeets growing up. They fly in the wild right here down here in Puerto Rico, and we had a whole bunch at home. And but if you forget to close that cage, you'll never see them again. Little ferrets. Who likes ferrets as pets? Let me know in the comments below. All right, so thank you to Pickle's Pet for that nice tour at her Petco store over there. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to her channel. Make sure you go over there and subscribe. All right, guys, so what do you guys think about the Petco IPO? Let me know in the comments below. Do you have any pets? Do you shop at Petco? I want to hear what you have to say, guys. All right, and make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you like this video. And as always, guys, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rico solves the mind. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, ya. I think you blow your house, your money, leave you broke, son.